Hello and welcome to Inkscape for Teachers. Well, this is a commercial ad for my website. There are applications of what I'm about to show you for teachers and worksheets in generating QR codes like this one in the top right corner. One application that I've used before in my physics classes is I might have a worksheet, something like that, and I'll have a QR code that links to some more resources or some online videos, or some explanations of the topic, or even the worksheet itself for download if they need another copy. So I think it can be quite a nifty little thing to put on your worksheets. I'll show you how to generate those now. Under extensions, go down to render and barcode, and then select, well, classic would be a classic barcode, but QR code in this case, and type in your web address. Now you might have a Dropbox shared file, or it could be Google Drive or OneDrive, one of those, and you can just copy and paste the link into there, click apply and then close, and there's the QR code. Now you can download QR code and barcode readers for mobile phones, and most kids would be able to do that pretty easily, and you can scan this code then and it will take you to their website for a copy of the worksheet or whatever. So a little idea there, but might be useful. You could try scanning on the screen. Sometimes they can be a bit problematic. You might have to zoom out a bit, go back a bit, but you could try this one, or you could just try Inkscape generating your own code. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.